Hiya, it's Karen Frost here. Hello, my lovely little Frosties. How you doing? So, got this little video to show you how to use this wonderful new product from SBD London, and it's transfer foil gel. I have been searching for ages for a foil gel that I could use to do it full foil now, and I have found it. It is here. So as you can see, I've prepared a couple of tips. I showed you the colours I was using in the beginning, and I'm now applying the foil gel to the nails, and then I shall be curing them for 60 seconds in my LED UV lamp. I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So whilst those are curing, cutting my bits of foil that I would like to use to the size that I need to cover that nail. I'm using a silicone tool, which I'm showing you there. So it's come straight out of the lamp immediately. Put your foil on, start from the middle and work your way outwards to try and avoid getting too many wrinkles. Now, because I was doing this on the tip and it was just being held on by blue tack, it kept shifting and moving and I couldn't really press on it. Really awkward. It's easier on a finger, and you'll see on my nails that my middle fingers, those are full foil. I did those with this foil gel. It's amazing. So anywho, you can test to see. So as you can see, I'm lifting it up and just checking it has come off, and if it hasn't, I just rub it a little bit more on the bits that I missed, and that is all down to where you rub it. As long as you rub it everywhere, it will all come off. But yeah, I did not rub it properly. Like I said, it's really awkward doing on tips compared to doing on your own hands or someone else's fingers, because you've got something to push against instead of me having to try and hold one end of the tip because it just keeps coming off the blue tack. Annoying. Anyway, so this nail I let sit whilst I was doing the other one, so it's cooled down, so it's no longer immediately out of the lamp, and I'm going to show you that it's how it doesn't transfer as well. It just doesn't. You have to get that transfer foil onto the nail immediately as it comes out the lamp, because if you let it cool, it just doesn't grip on properly, and you'll see it when I remove this foil off. So I would suggest doing one nail at a time with the foil gel. See, I'm rubbing, and it's just not transferring, and it's because it's had time to cool down. So like I said, make sure immediately, as soon as the lamp has turned off for its 60 seconds, get it out, get your foil on it, and it will work perfectly. So I'm just removing some of that foil off, and I'm going to repaint that nail and show you that it will work with that foil. I'm just trying to get some of it off, and it's not really coming off. So I've given up, and I'm just going to put some polish over the top of that, cover that up. This gorgeous colour. It's got a gold shimmer running through it, really subtle gold shimmer running through that pink. It's very beautiful. So cut another piece of foil while that is curing. Do another coat, cover up that foil. I was so over the moon when I tested this for Louise. Ugh. It's like, yes, it works, hallelujah, it works. I'm just going to top coat that other nail. That's done. Sorry about it going out of focus. As you can see, it's come back into focus now. Cool. So in with the foil gel now, and that's straight over the slightly tacky layer left from the gel polish colour. I didn't wipe it off or anything, just straight over with the foil gel. Put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. This had some hangover from the foil on the edges, so I'm just taking a 240 grit nail file and filing those off. You can do that before or after you top coat. I don't think it really makes much difference. Right, so it's come straight out of the lamp now, and I've put my foil right on it straight away, and you'll see the difference in how the foil applies. It's just has to be done this way. So rub with your silicone tool, or you could wad up a lint-free wipe and rub with that. You can also rub with your fingers as I'm doing there, and then lift and see if there's any bits missing. Keep rubbing. It's really awkward to do this on tips, but there you go. Yay! So that's how you do it. That's how you get your full images. Obviously, if you don't want a full image, you can just dab it, you know, push it on, pull it off, push it on, pull it off in various different places, and you will get that kind of haphazard pattern, that if that's what you're going for. But I really wanted to show you how to use it for a full nail of foils, because that's the hardest to get. And there you go. As you can see from the foil bits of that I've left there, that the images are clean. It's all come off. And you have it. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Come back and visit me again sometime. And I've got another video coming up very soon of the nails that you can see on my hands right now. That'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, peeps, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.